Hi everyone, Ben here. In this video, I'm going to do a quick profile on a gold exploration company called Cassiar Gold. It's a very cheap stock with a lot of growth potential on the resource. So we'll take a look here at gold first. And gold has broken out of this downward sloping red trend line here. And I think that's fairly significant and could lead to higher prices from that breakout. So getting into Cassiar Gold, their flagship project has the same name and it's located in northern British Columbia. The resource estimate is 2.34 million ounces of gold at about 1 gram per ton. And that deposit is open at depth and laterally as well. So we're looking here at this chart of sort of a hilltop picture of the Cassiar project. So that resource is right here, the Taurus resource. They also have a permitted 300 ton per day mill over here at the mill site. And this was a past producer. They were mining high grade veins over here in the side of this mountain here, not at the Taurus deposit. That's a recent target that has been drilled out by Cassiar, but they have historically been mining in this area here where these portals are here. So it is a past producer. That's why they have that permitted 300 ton per day mill. There is good infrastructure on the property. See, this is Highway 37 that goes right through the property, a paved highway. So there's year-round access to the property. And there's also power and water at the 48-person camp. So all the infrastructure is in place, and that does make it a lot more economical to either restart that mill or build a bigger mill would be probably necessary for the lower grade sort of bulk tonnage Taurus deposit. So some more pictures here of some of the key infrastructure. You see a picture here of some of the portals that could be reopened. There's lots of underground workings, the power lines, and there's a picture of that 300 ton per day fully permitted mill. Here's the camp right here and some of the roads. And then there's also a tailings facility and a core shack on site as well. And there's lots of expansion potential on this property. So here is the Taurus deposit. Okay, that is the 2.34 million ounces at around 1 gram per ton. They have had a good hit here in this New Coast area, which is about 2.5 kilometers away. So they hit 141 meters of, I think that's 0.89 grams per ton gold. So the deposit could be mineralized all the way in between here as well. So lots of expansion potential on the property. So we'll take a look at the stock here. It is trading at $33 million market cap, so very cheap valuation. It's trading at $14 per ounce in the ground, so very cheap stock, lots of expansion potential. Also, 12% of the shares are owned by insiders and advisors. So this is the type of stock that I like to get involved in because they have a resource estimate already on the property. So that gives you a valuation metric. And it is very undervalued stock at the moment. Also, there seems to be a lot of expansion potential. The CEO did give a target of 5 million ounces. So a lot of growth of the resource is possible with this company, and they could reopen those high grade mining portals and get the mill up and running again to get some cash flow coming in as sort of an optionality play as well. All right, guys, not financial advice. Please do your own research on the stock. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.